Bardeen AI not connecting your apps. Yeah, that's super frustrating, especially when your automations depend on those integrations. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. All right, first, make sure your internet connection is stable. I mean, Bardeen needs a working connection to connect your apps properly. Next, disconnect the app and reconnect it again. Yeah, this refreshes the connection and often solves the issue. Now, make sure you grant all required permissions when connecting the app. I mean, missing permissions can block access completely. Okay, log out of your Bardeen account and log back in. This refreshes your session and can fix connection problems. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try turning it off. Yeah, these can sometimes block app connections. Next, update your browser and the Bardeen extension. I mean, older versions can cause compatibility issues. Also, clear your browser cache. Corrupted data can break integrations and cause errors. If you have other extensions enabled, try disabling them. Yeah, some can interfere with Bardeen's functionality. And finally, try connecting the app using another browser. I mean, this helps identify if the issue is browser related. So yeah, that's how you fix Bardeen AI not connecting apps. One of these steps should get your integrations working again. If this helped, drop a like and I'll see you in the next one. Crisp not working with Discord.